Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can add a layer photo or some catalog in our WhatsApp business profile. So first of all, what you have to do is launch your WhatsApp business, tap three dot icon, select settings. In here, simply tap onto your name or simply your profile. Now as you do that, you will see a page like this. You will see products and services. You will also see catalog. Tap on catalog. And likewise, it says create a catalog and also says send products and services directly to your customers with WhatsApp catalog. So select add new item and add a item from your gallery section. Now, as you can see that I've already added one photo, which is this one right here. You can add multiple catalog or multiple photos if you would like. Now in here, you're going to have to type in the name, which is required and compulsory. If you would like to add some price, go ahead and drop it right here. This is completely optional. Type in your sale price, description about the product, and also the country of origin, and then select save. You're going to have to type in each and every one of them, then select save. And likewise, guys, it will appear in your profile if somebody taps onto it. This is how it's done. Thank you for watching.